50 weather. English words. Let's enjoy learning together. Take it easy. Air. Air. The air is fresh today. Atmosphere. Atmosphere. The atmosphere is calm in the morning. Blizzard. Blizzard. A blizzard hit the town last night. Breeze. Breeze. There is a gentle breeze outside. Cumulus. Cumulus. The cumulus clouds are big and fluffy. Cloud. Cloud. The cloud is blocking the sun. Cold. Cold. It is very cold today. Cyclone. Cyclone. A cyclone is coming to the island. Dew. Dew. There is dew on the grass in the morning. Drought. Drought. The country is facing a drought. Drizzle. Drizzle. It's just a light drizzle now. Flood. Flood. The river caused a flood last night. Fog. Fog. The fog is thick in the morning. Forecast. Forecast. The weather forecast says it will rain tomorrow. Hail. Hail. Hail fell from the sky during the storm. Heat. Heat. The heat is unbearable today. Heatwave. Heatwave. A heatwave is expected this week. Humidity. Humidity. The humidity makes it feel warmer. Hurricane. Hurricane. A hurricane hit the coast yesterday. Ice. Ice. There is ice on the road in winter. Lightning. Lightning. The lightning was very bright last night. Mist. Mist. The mist makes everything look blurry. Monsoon. Monsoon. The monsoon season starts in June. Muggy. Muggy. It's muggy and hot today. Overcast. Overcast. The sky is overcast, and it might rain. Precipitation. Precipitation. The forecast shows light precipitation tomorrow. Rain. Rain. It will rain in the afternoon. Rainbow. Rainbow. I saw a beautiful rainbow after the rain. Snow. Snow. Snow is falling gently from the sky. Snowstorm. Snowstorm. The snowstorm covered everything in white. Sleet. Sleet. It's sleeting outside, so be careful. Storm. Storm. A storm is coming, so we should stay inside. Sun. Sun. The sun is shining brightly today. Sunny. Sunny. It's sunny and warm outside. Thunder. Thunder. I heard thunder in the distance. Tornado. Tornado. A tornado passed through the town last night. Tropical. Tropical. The tropical weather is very hot and humid. Typhoon. Typhoon. A typhoon is approaching the coast. UV. UV. UV rays are strong today, so wear sunscreen. Wind. Wind. The wind is blowing hard today. Windy. Windy. It's very windy outside. Temperature. Temperature. The temperature is rising this afternoon. Temperature drop. Temperature drop. There will be a temperature drop tonight. Temperature rise. Temperature rise. The temperature rise is expected this week. Visibility. Visibility. The visibility is low because of the fog. Wet. Wet. My clothes are wet from the rain. Wildfire. Wildfire. A wildfire is spreading across the forest. Wind chill. Wind chill. The wind chill makes it feel colder. Weather. Weather. The weather is nice today. Weather pattern. Weather pattern. The weather pattern is changing this week. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and use it to review and learn anytime. See you in the next video.